Hey, future scientists. Today we're diving into the secrets of satellites and how they work and the mind-blowing science that powers them. So buckle up because we've got even more fun science secrets that might just shock you. Ever wondered what those shiny objects orbiting high above our heads are? In step 1, we'll demystify the magic of satellites. What are they? Prepare for a cosmic journey into the basics of satellite science. Step 2 is where things get hands-on. Ever thought about how these incredible machines are made? We're diving into the secrets of satellite construction. Spoiler alert, it's way cooler than you might think. Get ready for an up-close look at the art and science of making satellites. In step 3, we're launching into the why and how of satellites. Why on Earth, or should I say in space, do we even need these orbiting wonders? Plus, we'll unveil the mind-boggling process of getting them into space. Trust me, it involves more than just pressing a giant launch button. Step 4 is where things get juicy. We'll be delving into the secret life of satellites. Did you know they're not just up there for show? Get ready for some mind-blowing revelations about what these space explorers are up to when we're not looking. But hey, stick around until the very end because we've got an awesome challenge for you to take on at home. It's a chance to get hands-on and show off your creative genius. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and let's dive in. Alright, so what is a satellite? Well, satellites are a planet, moon, or machine that orbits another planet or star. Imagine a little explorer zipping around a planet or star. That's what a satellite does. Some satellites are natural, like the moon orbiting Earth. Others are created by us to explore the mysteries of space. Satellites predict the weather, study climate, and measure gases in the atmosphere. Did you know that some satellites act like space detectives, keeping an eye on our planet? They take pictures of Earth, helping us predict the weather and understand more about our climate. They can even measure the gases in the air, giving scientists a sneak peek into Earth's secrets. Satellites snap pictures of other planets and galaxies. Hold on to your space helmets because here's a mind-blowing fact. Satellites don't just keep an eye on Earth. They're cosmic photographers too. Some take stunning pictures of other planets and distant galaxies. It's like having space cameras that help scientists unlock the mysteries of our vast universe. Satellites are cosmic messengers for communication. But that's not all. Satellites play a vital role in keeping us connected. TV signals and telephone calls travel all the way up to a satellite. And then, like cosmic messengers, they get sent back down to different places around the world. It's like having a space-based communication superhero. Alright, awesome astronomers, here's a fact that might just blow your mind. Did you know that some satellites can actually help us find hidden treasures on Earth? Yes, you heard it right. Satellites equipped with special sensors can detect different types of materials beneath the Earth's surface. Archaeologists use this incredible technology to uncover ancient cities and hidden artifacts. It's like having a space superpower to unlock the secrets of our planet's past. Have you ever wondered how we turn dreams of exploring space into those high-tech machines orbiting above us? It's like building a spaceship, but cooler. First off, satellites are like space superheroes, each with its unique set of powers and abilities. And guess what? Just like superheroes, they're crafted with precision and care, but instead of capes, they wear solar panels. Now, let me share a few secrets about their creation. Every great adventure starts with a plan, and satellites are no different. Engineers create a special blueprint, a detailed guide that tells them exactly how to build each part of the satellite. It's like drawing a map for our space explorer to follow. But what about the materials? Well, here's where it gets super exciting. Satellites are made of materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. Think extreme temperatures, cosmic radiation, and weightlessness. It's like giving our space explorers the ultimate spacesuit. So what materials are we talking about? Get ready for some seriously cool space-age ingredients. Picture this. Satellites need to endure extreme conditions like scorching heat, freezing cold, and intense radiation in space. To tackle these challenges, engineers use a mix of high-tech materials. For instance, titanium alloy. Imagine a metal that's not only lightweight but also super strong. That's where titanium alloy comes in. It's like the superhero cape, providing strength without weighing our satellites down. Solar cells. Satellites need power to function, and what better way to harness energy than with solar cells? These cells, like tiny cosmic batteries, convert sunlight into electricity to keep our space explorers running smoothly. Captain film. Think of Captain film as the ultimate space blanket. It protects satellites from extreme temperature changes, making sure they stay cozy in the cold and cool in the heat of the cosmic spotlight. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer. This one's a bit like a cosmic superhero suit. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer is super lightweight but incredibly strong. It's like the armor that shields our satellites from the challenges of the space frontier. And these are just a few examples of the incredible materials that make satellites the space-age marvels they are. The next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that those twinkling satellites are made of materials fit for cosmic adventures. All right, space explorers, before we continue our cosmic adventure, don't forget to be a part of our interstellar crew. If you're having a blast learning about satellites and the wonders of space, make sure to give that like button a cosmic high five and smash that subscribe button for more out-of-this-world content. If you're ready to take your love for learning to the next level, we've got something extra special for you and your amazing grown-ups. How about turning your home into a museum or unleashing your inner inventor in our Inventor Workshop? It's all part of our free weekly challenges. Imagine the thrill of bringing your homeschool adventures to life with super exciting challenges every week. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is talk to the awesome adults you live with and encourage them to sign up for our weekly challenges. Trust me, they're going to love getting involved in the fun with you. All right, space pioneers, get ready to unravel the cosmic mysteries of Step 3. Why do we use satellites? And how on earth do we launch them into the vast unknown? It's not just for fun. There's a whole galaxy of scientific reasons behind it. Satellites act as our eyes and ears in space, helping us explore distant planets, moons, and galaxies. They're like our interstellar scouts, uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos and expanding our understanding of the universe. Satellites are also our cosmic communication hubs. They relay signals for TV, internet, and telephone services, ensuring that we can stay connected with friends and family no matter where on Earth we are. Now, did you know that space exploration not only expands our knowledge of the universe, but also acts as a shield for our precious planet? Here's how satellites become our cosmic superhero. Space programs are like cosmic laboratories, constantly pushing the boundaries of technology. The cutting-edge tools and techniques developed for space exploration find their way back to Earth, bringing us innovations that improve our daily lives. And here's a cosmic twist. The same technology used in satellites to explore space can also be repurposed for earthly challenges. It's like giving us superpowers to solve problems and make the world a better place. All right, it's time to unveil the secret life of satellites. This is where things get seriously juicy. Satellites are like the James Bonds of the cosmos. They have missions, secrets, and some seriously exciting tricks. First up, did you know that some satellites play the role of Earth's magnetic field guardians? It's true. These cosmic heroes monitor and study the magnetic field, helping scientists understand its changes over time. It's like having a team of magnetic superheroes keeping Earth's invisible shield in check. Satellites are also solar storm watchers. When the sun gets a little too active and sends out powerful bursts of energy, satellites keep a close eye on these solar storms. It's like having a cosmic weather report for the sun, helping us prepare for any solar surprises headed our way. But wait, there's more. Some satellites are like interstellar GPS systems. They use star trackers to navigate through the cosmos. Imagine having a space explorer that not only maps out our planet but also guides other spacecraft on their epic journeys through space. It's like having a cosmic travel guide for the stars. And these are just a few glimpses into the secret life of satellites. From magnetic field guardians to solar storm watchers and cosmic navigators, these space explorers are working around the clock to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Now, before we wrap up our cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more space adventures, and of course, sign up for our weekly challenges to bring the excitement of learning right into your home. But wait, as promised, here's a challenge that'll let your creativity soar to new heights. We want you to become satellite engineers and create your very own satellite models at home. It's time to bring the wonders of space right into your living room. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to design and build a satellite using anything and everything you can find at home. Cardboard, paper, recycled materials, you name it. Let your imagination run wild and turn your space explorer dreams into reality. Here's what you need to do. Design and build your own satellite using household materials. Get creative with colors, shapes, and features. The more unique, the better. Share a photo or video of your awesome satellite on our Facebook community page. Don't forget to use the hashtag #SatelliteSuperstar so we can find and celebrate your incredible creations. Please don't share your name or personal information about you, but we can't wait to see your awesome creations. We're super excited to see your fantastic satellite models and the incredible ideas you come up with. Plus, it's a chance to connect with fellow space enthusiasts in our community. So, grab your materials, unleash your inner satellite engineer, and let the satellite building adventure begin. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos and don't forget to share your creations. We'll see you on the next adventure of our space series. Over and out, space explorers.